Hello, I am Nahida and welcome back to Innovent Foods. Today I am sharing a creamy, flavorful and aromatic recipe, Chicken Handi. This is a classic dish made with love in a simple pan, no handi needed. Let's begin. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped onion and 2 green chilies. Saute for 1 minute until the aroma rises. Handi traditionally refers to a clay pot used in South Asian cooking. Chicken handi became famous through roadside dhabas. 1 cup of boneless chicken. Cook for 2 minutes or until it changes color. Time to add the flavor. Add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala, and half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Kashmiri red chili powder adds vibrant color without extreme heat. Mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the spices are well combined. Saute the spices well to remove any raw smell. Homemade spice blends can reduce the need for excessive oil or butter. Now add 1 tomato puree. Tomato puree adds tang. Cook it down well for best flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of whisk curd and 1 tablespoon of cream. Use fresh curd and always whisk it to avoid curdling. For extra richness, you can add a little butter while finishing. Stir well and cook for another 2 minutes. Once the curry becomes thick and creamy, remove from the heat. Your rich and delicious chicken handi is ready to enjoy. So how did you like this quick chicken handi recipe? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovent Foods for more flavorful and easy recipes straight from our kitchen to yours. See you in the next recipe. Keep smiling and keep cooking.